everyone. How's everyone doing? Well, we did get a new puppy. This is Fifi. As you know, you all knew that we had a pet, Gigi, who was 15 years old, and she was pretty sick. So we had to put her down April 1st, 2026. And we found another puppy. This is a Shih Tzu Malibu. She's very smart, and her name is Fifi. So this is our brand new family. She's our baby now, right? Oh, she's so adorable. She reminds me of Gigi, but she's Fifi, right, Fifi? And Fifi is only 4 months old. And she's doing pretty good with her potty training. She's very smart. She's already pooped outside. She peed outside when her daddy took her out. Sometimes you have little accidents, but you're smart. She's a very smart dog. Yeah. I love her. I love my Fifi. Yeah, she's still a baby. Here, you can bite on this. Where is it? What did you do with it? I don't know what she did with that cover. Oh, here. You can still bite on it. Here. She's been biting on this lid here. Here. Okay, so as y'all know, I've been making magnets for my auntie. I had to move my lamp. I actually had it back here. And I'm making some ladybug magnets right now. But I want to share with you the finished product of my owl magnets. All right, I made 4 of these for my auntie. I have 2 on my refrigerator for me. And I made her 4 worms. So these are what the worms look like. So you can see it. And so I have 2 magnets, one in the middle and one by the head part. So when they go in the refrigerator, these are really cute. And then I made some bees for her. These are the bees. Okay, so they're... Let me straighten up the ear so you can see. There, here's the black one. I don't know if you guys could see it, but I'm following with the pattern on my. Here's the flowers. So this is what the flowers look like. There's another one. Another flower I made with the mouth. And so far I made, I'm going to share with all of you again. These are the magnets that I am making. So I'm making the large ladybug right now, but I've already made the owl. I've already made the mouse. What else did I make? I made the worm and the flower and the bee. So I'm working on the ladybug. I'm going to send her 4, but I want to make me 2 for myself. So I have to make 3 more so I can have. And these ladybugs are going to look cute when I'm done with them. But that's what I'm making. And I had to put my lamp here so you guys can see me. Yes. Here, play with this. Okay, so I also made the minions. I think I shared with you guys what they look like, but there's 10 of them. These are the minions with the 2 eyes that I made. Their keychains. So there's 10 of them. So I'm sending my auntie in Hawaii for the missionary to help with the missionary going to the Philippines. They're raising money, so I make these things for my auntie to help support the church. So, and then I made these cute little mouse. I forgot about the mouse. They are so cute. I actually need to make me some. So I made her 4. So she has 4 mouse, 4 worms, 4 owls, 4 flowers, and I'm gonna send her the ladybug. And I'll see what I can make for her. I might try to make the frog. It's either the frog or the turtle, but that's what I'm doing, right, Fifi? And this is my Fifi. I love her. All right, I'll see you guys all in the next video. Thank you for watching. And this is our brand new baby, Fifi. She's only 4 months old. She's like a baby doll.